Welcome to our program, Henry.
Thanks for having me, Giovanna. Thank you.
So today we want to talk about a financial review checklist. Now I think, like many people, we all know we should do one, but it's so hard to actually start. Where do we start?
Well, I like to look at things from a protection point of view, and you can have the money, but God forbid, what happens if something should happen to a young family while they're driving along the highway, and all of a sudden one spouse winds up leaving the other. So I think that a life insurance review is very, very important for two reasons, whether it's for a young couple or whether it's for a middle-aged couple. Life insurance is one of those things that people just have to get their hands around, and even though they don't want to, even though they don't understand it, they've got to bring it out from that bottom right-hand drawer and actually see whether or not it's fulfilling their objectives, whether they have enough, whether, for that matter, whether or not that contract is even still in force. Because anybody that bought a contract over the last 25 years, there's a very good chance that that contract, because of lowered interest rates over the last 2 decades, might not still be available. So looking at that is important for you.
Final moments, talk to us about what the biggest surprise is that people have no idea about regarding this financial review checklist.
Well, again, not to harp on the concept of life insurance, but the biggest problem that I'm finding is that 35% of people's life insurance is prematurely expiring. So whether it's owned individually or whether it's owned by a trust, making sure that the insurance that you thought that you had is still available.
All right, so we'll take another good look at that.
Okay.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Henry.
you. Thanks.